Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Bonk Update today. So let's actually start to explore the possibilities of Bonk coming up to maybe 3940. Now Bonk here has crossed some of the stop losses that I've been actually thinking of, like 2874 and whatnot, and right now coming right above through 2874 is actually a very bullish sign. So basically, let's actually do the math in here and let's talk about it. So bringing in back the supply zone, I want to actually draw the rectangle down here, and just like that I'm going to drop the supply zone rectangle, and I think it's going to be something like this. Okay, so you've actually broken that supply, and that is quite bullish statement at the moment. Now of course you can have a chance of actually retesting the supply zone, bounce off the supply zone, and then we are good to go all the way to the upside. But if it becomes bullish and we don't go for the retest at all, then it could be so bullish that you just smash through all these limitations and you might actually just come up to even 4002. But still it's not my very suitable setup at the moment, because I do see a huge bearish divergence right now, and I'm not that much of a risk taker to trade when we still have a bearish divergence, because, well, yes, a lot of people say when a market is bullish, it's bullish, but anyways, for technical and analysts, people reading charts and whatnot, you cannot just look at a bearish divergence and then still go on and put a trade in there with a bearish divergence. For no, it's just not my cup of tea. But anyways, those who want to do it, it's up to you, it's your money. And the thing is, let's get into 1 hour time frame and check in the 1 hour time frame. So you're being heavily supported on the 1 hour, at least. There's a progress until right now, and on the 15 minutes I think there's a squeeze coming in very soon. In my opinion, you have some support and resistance that you have been breaking out of. So number one, this was your support and resistance. You broke out of it, consolidation, and then pumped up. You had another consolidation, support and resistance, broken out of it. You have another pump to the upside, and now you have this resistance coming up for Bonk. And if you do end up breaking that as well, then I think you have another little bit of a push coming up from top to bottom, break above, and you're going to actually look at 3197 coming in as your next technical target as well. So that's pretty much it for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.